If you're planning to build a gaming PC in 2026 to save money, don't. Pre-built systems now cost the same as building yourself. They come with warranties and you don't need to spend 20 hours researching which RAM works with which motherboard. Unless you're a PC enthusiast who enjoys building, you are wasting your time and you're risking expensive mistakes. Let's break down the numbers. 10 years ago, a top-tier Intel i7 processor cost $300. Today, you can buy an entire pre-built gaming PC with an AMD processor that performs just as well for what? $500 to $600? That's the entire system. CPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, case, power supply, Windows pre-installed for less than what one processor used to cost. The build your own to save money advice is a decade out of date. Pre-built manufacturers buy components in bulk and are passing those savings on to you! You're not saving $200 anymore by building, you're saving maybe $50, and that's before factoring in your time and the risk of breaking something. More than 10 years ago, I asked my best friend to build my gaming PC because I had no idea what I was doing. He knew which parts worked together, how to apply thermal paste, and what a post beep meant. I didn't know any of that, and a decade later, most people still don't. Building a PC has always been sold as the budget-friendly option. You pick where to spend big, where to cut back, and you supposedly save money. But here's what they don't tell you. Figuring out compatibility is a nightmare. Some RAM doesn't work with certain motherboards. Some GPUs don't fit in certain cases. Some power supplies can't handle your components, and one wrong choice means buying replacement parts. And if something goes wrong after you build it, you're the tech support. No warranty covers the whole system, just individual parts. If your PC won't turn on, you have to ask yourself, is it the motherboard, the power supply, the RAM? Good luck troubleshooting that at 2 a.m. when you just wanted to play some video games. Pre-built PCs in 2026 solve all of this. A $500 to $600 pre-built from Best Buy, Amazon, or Newegg includes everything you need. Yes, budget models under $600 don't come with a dedicated graphics card, but they don't need one for most gaming. These systems use AMD or Intel processors with integrated GPUs that can handle Fortnite, League of Legends, Minecraft, Valorant, and similar games at 1080p with 60 to 100 frames per second. That's smooth gaming without spending $300 just on a GPU. And here's the best part, folks, these are not dead-end systems. You can upgrade later. Drop in a dedicated GPU when you want to play AAA games, maybe add more RAM, upgrade storage. The freedom is still there. You just didn't have to risk frying a motherboard just to get started. Most pre-builts also come with a single warranty covering the entire system. If something breaks, you call one company. They fix or replace it. Compare that to building yourself, where you're juggling 5 different warranties from 5 different manufacturers. They're also constantly on sale. Most retailers run deals on gaming systems. You can find $600 rigs discounted to around $450 during Black Friday, back-to-school sales, or even random weekday promotions. Now, some people will yell in the comments, pre-builts cut corners in the power supply or motherboard. Well, that used to be true. Budget models from sketchy brands did cheap out, but in 2026, many reputable brands now use standard upgradable parts. They're not locking you into garbage. If my 10-year-old PC that my friend built could last this long, a decent pre-built one can too. Granted that you don't abuse the poor thing. Decision time, folks. If you want to save $50 and you enjoy spending 20 hours researching, building, and troubleshooting, build your own PC. There is nothing wrong with that. But if you value your time and you just want to play some games, buy a $500 to $600 pre-built PC. Then spend the money you saved on games and actually play instead of building. The build to save money advice made sense back in 2015? In 2026, it's kinda outdated. Now, if you want honest gaming and tech advice that saves you money without the hype, that's what this channel does. Let's talk in the next one. Toodaloos!